Good morning, little champs. How are you all? Welcome to Sindhu's Log. Today, I'm going to teach you first chapter, Biological Science of 10th standard. Coming to the subject, what is nutrition? Okay, what is nutrition first of all? Nutrition is nothing but the nourishment what we get from food. Okay, what we get from food. Okay, right. Before going to that, we have to divide the chapter into about 3 parts. First chapter, nutrition, can be divided into 3 parts, namely nutrition in a brief descriptive manner, and then later on nutrition taken by means of plants. What it is, the nutrition procedure in plants, and nutrition procedure in animals or humans is seen. Okay, 3 parts. You can divide the chapter into 3 parts so that you can read the chapter in a easy way. Okay, let's get into the subject, nutrition. What is nutrition? What is food? How many types of food are there? What is the necessity of the food? Let us see these all things. Okay, right. What is nutrition? Before going to that, what is nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but the nourishment what we get from food. Okay, what is food actually? Food is nothing but what it gives energy for performing life processes in a proper manner. How many types of food materials are present? Food is of many types. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and these are types of food materials. What is the necessity of food? Helps in growth and repair, and sometimes helps in maintaining the body temperature also. Okay, coming to description, helps in growth. What it helps in growth? As the age increases, we have nutrition, we are taking inside the food, and then what it helps in? It helps in growth of our body, growth of anything like our organs, body parts, like in human size. Okay, brain, heart, lungs, everything will increase, and then number of teeth also increases, isn't it? Right, very good. And then repair, and sometimes helps in body temperature. Repairing means whenever a damage occurs to our skin or internal organs or external organs, anything, then that helps in growth and also repair of our internal organs, external organs, skin, etc. Anything gets repaired by means of this nourishment or the nutrition which we get. Okay, then let's see what is maintenance of body temperature. Nothing but the basal metabolic rate produces a kind of temperature. Basic metabolic activities which take place in our body produces what? A type of temperature in our body. A type of temperature is formed when basic metabolites are function, or basic metabolic rates are happening in our body. To maintain that, sometimes we require food also. That means food also is a part for maintaining our body temperature. Okay, let's get into next one. What is food actually we have seen, but coming later next, Plants, animals, humans, all the living organisms on this earth are divided based on their capability of producing food material. Based on their capability of producing food material. What does it mean? What does it mean? Nothing but if an organism is capable of producing their own food material, then then those organisms are called as autotrophs. Autotrophs, isn't it? Yes, right. Very good. Then examples for this is plants. Plants are examples for autotrophs. What are heterotrophs then? Heterotrophs are nothing but the living organisms, which are not capable of producing food material by themselves are called as heterotrophs. Examples are animals and plants. Okay? What is the difference between them? Let us see. Let us see what is the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. What are autotrophs? Autotrophs are able to prepare their own food material, whereas heterotrophs they are not capable of producing their own food materials. Okay, their own food materials. Okay, producers are autotrophs. In the food chart or in the food chain, where does the plant stand as producers? Producers are nothing but the autotrophs. Nothing but the autotrophs. Then consumers. What are consumers? Consumers are heterotrophs. What are heterotrophs? Organisms which are not able to prepare their own food material. Okay. Then later, coming to the last point, what it is, forms the complex organic materials. Forms the complex organic materials where it is an anabolic process. Anabolic process does mean that formation of an organic compound, not breaking down of an organic compound, isn't it? Yes, right. Forming the complex organic material is due to process of photosynthesis, where it is seen in plants. Coming later next into heterotrophs, they cannot prepare their own food material. Does mean that they cannot make a complex organic molecule, but they are capable of consuming and breaking down the complex organic molecules into simple inorganic ones to get energy. This is what we can know. The difference between autotroph and heterotroph. Okay, these are all, for example, what we take for heterotrophs, animals and human beings. Whereas animals do depend on either animals or they depend on plants in turn. Okay, whereas humans do depend on plants or animals. Okay.